Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aditi here. The Reliance Trends 1000 rupees shopping challenge, and this is going to be one of the best 1000 rupees shopping challenge ever in all the video series that I've made. Why? Because you're going to find it right now. So let's get into the video and get started with it. I'm going to give you a quick tour of this store where you find some great looking kurta at 70 to 80% off and mostly from Ajio stuff. Today's video is going to be an exciting 1000 rupees Reliance Trends shopping challenge video. So it's going to be my 1000 rupees Reliance Trends shopping challenge and haul. Reliance Trends have recently started bringing up Ajio store as well into them. So Ajio products are really amazing, but most of it are all the time sold out, especially sizes like S and L. And I am an extra small, so it's quite easy to find clothes for me. But again, even that is also like quite sold out most of the time. So Reliance Trends stores, some of the Reliance Trends stores have this Ajio store as well in them. So if you are going to go there, you can get all the pieces there. Stores that I have in my city is just dedicated to the Indian wear only, not the usual one that you find in mall with all of the western kids, men, everything combined together. This is just for women and it is just the Indian wear kurta. So you find a lot of kurta, palazzo, skirt, dupatta and all of that Indian wear stuff. That is exactly the store that I happen to be, and I found some amazing deals over there and a very beautiful looking kurta. They were offering about 70% off, which is amazing. 99% of the sizes that they have is M, L, XL, XXL. If you are anywhere in those category, you would have a nice time shopping there. But I am an extra small. Even extra small fits a little bit loose for me. I'm not really more of a kurta type person, so I had to give it a skip. I just picked up two beautiful kurta dress or mini dress which are amazing. I just got two kurta that is going to be evergreen kurta because the pattern is like that and I just love it. Original price of these cost about 1,799 rupees and they are actually that expensive because of the quality and everything. All of these are made of 100% cotton and the color combination is absolutely gorgeous and the fitting is amazing. I actually went in and got a size S. Usually I'm an XS, I already told you, but since it is cotton, I'm pretty sure that it's going to shrink after putting it for wash. So then it's going to fit me perfect. And the other one is a floral one that I absolutely love. The print is a gorgeous print and I love the color combination, the subtle prints, the combination of colors, the tassel detailing on it is really something that I totally love it. Also cost 1,799, which is really a lot of money, but I got it at 70% off and I think I pay overall, I just paid 520 each, I guess. I'm not really exactly sure of the number, but it's definitely 500 rupees and something. You can actually wear this with a legging or a pant if you're not comfortable wearing it in dress, or you can actually wear it like this without wearing anything on it because they come till your ankles, so it's perfect to just wear it. All of these two products are actually picked up from me by the Reliance stores, direct physical store. They're not from online. I'm really happy with the purchase. I have actually started my second channel, which is an amazing channel that I'm going to make budget fashion for another language as well. So make sure you check my second channel out there. I'm going to put my link of my second channel as well on the description down below. So do not forget to check out my second channel and do subscribe there also. And I have my Instagram, everything given down below. Just check out the description. You will find a lot of amazing gems out there. One of the circle is for this current channel and the other circle is for my second channel. Take a second to hit on those circles. You're going to get instantly subscribed to my channel for free so that you can get all my videos directly onto your phone for free. Thank you so much for staying around. Bye.